I'm Kim Krause from the Schreiber Media Center, and believe it or not, I'm not in the Swiss Alps right now. I'm in the parking lot of the Voyager Hotel, where the snow has been piling up because of the recent storms. The town has had to find places just to pile the snow to be able to get the roads clear, and currently we've got a lot of these little mountains around town, so I'm going to show you them, and we're going to talk to some of the people about how they're coping with digging out of the storm for this year.
Oh my goodness, I think this is a record of some sort.
It's got to be. There's a hell of a lot of snow this year. I've been talking to people, and every time they go out, they have to blow their snow out on Saturday, and on Tuesday they're out doing it again.
Exactly.
What do you think of all the snow we're having?
I think it sucks.
Yeah, a lot of snow, literally everywhere, mountains, hills, everywhere in town.
We've had one of the biggest snowstorms in recent memory. The last one apparently 1996 that people are still talking about. But this one's been particularly heavy with a lot of snow, a lot of freezing temperatures as well. So we want to find out how people are coping with this kind of weather and see what they're doing to get themselves out of the storm.
So I came back from the hospital in the handy van.
Yeah?
And the driver, Sharon, and I were sitting there deciding what I should do about the truck. And along came Joe Fidlamini in his loader. And he came up the road here, and we chased him down, and he went back and dug me out.
Oh, shit.
So then I went home, and not Doug, Aaron Stafuric had kindly, with his truck plow, done my yard.
Oh, that's nice of them, eh?
So it just leaves me with a tear in my eye, really.
Yeah, but that's great about Schreiber too. People do help out each other when they need it.
Yeah.
So Jason, what are you doing here today?
So every time we get a big snowfall, as you can see this, well, believe it or not, this is a little snowmobile trail that goes alongside the road, kind of from the sliding hill down around the sewer plant to this little trail. I don't like driving on the roads because it kills the sliders with all the gravel. The town boys are doing such a good job keeping the roads sanded. It's bad in the sled. So obviously you can imagine the side hill that's here. And if you end up down in those trees, you're not going anywhere till spring. So I'd rather shovel some snow than, hook a truck up and try and pull the sled out. So a little bit of work, you do it a couple times in winter, and then once you pull drag across it a few times, it's nice and hard and flat, and we're good to go.
So what do you think of the snow this year? We've had quite a bit, eh?
Oh yeah. I've been praying for snow the last couple of weeks, and I don't know, I never thought anyone ever answered my prayers, but holy man, I'll tell you, it's I'm done. I'm tapping out. I don't want no more. I was out breaking trail yesterday with my big super wide, and I buried it to the windshield twice. Thank God I had a shovel and snowshoes, because otherwise I was walking home. So there's a lot of snow in the bush right now. It's crazy. We need some compaction here to get a base into it. It's sugary and crappy, but that's fun. I guess, what do you want? We live in the north.
last couple of years, especially this year, has been really bad. But you know what? We live in the north.
So Kelly, tell me about what you're up to.
Well, this has been the busiest winter I've had with snow removal in the last 4 years. This storm that we just had, to me, it reminds me of the big storm we had in '96.
So what's a typical day like for you?
The last little while here, I've been averaging anywhere from 14 to 18 hours a day.
So you what, get up at 5 in the morning and work till midnight?
Gone at 5 o'clock in the morning and don't stop until like my butt gets sore and I got to get out of the seat.
Look at the size of these snow piles. It's crazy. People can really hurt themselves.